Sides heated. Trending California OG Hoover Gumby jumped online and basically kicked the whole entire city of Fort Worth off the Hoover set.
Doc, what do you mean by that?
He even went as far as banning OG Kunta and OG Percy from Cali.
This ain't no you talking about. Ain't talking about no. Talk about the solution.
He hung up.
Oh shit!
Hoover.
Oh shit!
Fort Worth.
Come on, bro.
Out of here. Hooverland. Yo, Hoover, come to LA. You market. What's that? Dead. You. Fort Worth. All you on Hoover Street. I said that for Kunta. Bring your ass to LA. I'ma show you who I am. Gang. Hoover dog. Went bad like it was supposed to. You is not from our gang. Like I said.